this is Bristol, packaging specialist in China. And in my hand, this is a spout doypack intended for packaging windshield washer fluids, 2 liter. And actually this package is a little larger for 2 liter, and I'm going to show you the size for this doypack, and then I'm going to fill 2 liter water into the doypack and check the final effect. Okay, let's have a look at the width. The width is 215 millimeter. 250 millimeter, and the height is 320 millimeter. 320 millimeter. The bottom is 50 millimeter when folded, so the actual bottom extended is 50 plus 2, 100 millimeter. And there is sealed edge for this doypack. It is 10 millimeter. Yeah. So I'm going to fill 2 liter water into the doypack and check the final field effect. Hello, this doypack filled with water, 2 liter. As you can see, the field level is here, and there is much space left in the package. That means the height is a little larger. Yeah. So some customers may choose to shorten, to make it shorter. Yeah, to make it shorter. And there is a handle hole that enables the consumers to carry the products. And you can see there may be some wrinkles. No. The stand-up effect for this doypack, very good.